Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to print in landscape. So we would go over to the file and then print and scroll down here. We can see that the year-to-date city sales has been cut off and it's a page of its own, but I want it all on one page, and just simply shrinking it to one page wide makes the print too small. In that case, I can go to the page setup, I can click on landscape and hit OK, and now we can see it shifted the page 90 degrees and it all fits on a few pages here, and it's easy to read and legible. We can also, if it still doesn't fit, we can do the fit to one page wide and then just let it do however many tall, we don't care, and hit OK. And if there's even more out there, it'll include that in this first page too. So that's how you change the print area to be landscape in Excel. Thank you for watching.